This Sunday Qatar won hearts of around a billion Muslims at FIFA World Cup 2022. In the opening ceremony of the World Cup, Qatar made history by inaugurating it through a special person named Ghanim Al Muftah, 22, who stole the show at the ceremony at the tent-shaped Bayt Stadium, sharing the stage with Hollywood actor Morgan Freeman. During the inauguration, he had an interesting dialogue with Morgan Freeman, renowned American actor, when he beautifully answered one of his questions through 13th verse of Surah Hujirat from the Holy Qur'an, emphasizing on unity among the mankind. With his commanding voice, Freeman began by posing the question, how can so many countries, languages and cultures come together if only one path is accepted? The young Qatari recited a verse from the Quran and helped the actor welcome the world in a show themed around unity and tolerance. The meaning of the verse is, O humanity, we have created you from a male and a female, and we have divided you into races and tribes so that you can meet each other. The most superior of you in the sight of Allah is the one who has the most taqwa. Allah is all-knowing, aware. To concur, Freeman went on to say, I can see it. What unites us here right now is much greater than what separates us. Al Muftah replied, we will be raised to believe that we are scattered across this world as nations so that we can learn from each other and find beauty in our differences. Ghanim Al Muftah was born on May 5, 2002. He was born with a rare condition known as caudal regression syndrome, CDS. However, rather than allowing the condition to stunt his life, he has learned to overcome obstacles with positivity and leadership. This is what makes him an exceptional and inspiring character. He is currently pursuing his university degree, majoring in political sciences with an overarching goal of becoming a diplomat. Despite his disability, Ghanim enjoys participating in extreme sports such as scuba diving, skateboarding, and rock climbing.